Presenting the 2008 Toyota Camry. Find everything you want in a ride under one roof with this vehicle. With low miles, this automobile will take you far and get you where you want to go. Run all over town and back home again without worrying about filling up when driving this fuel-efficient ride. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 5-speed automatic transmission. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an AM/FM stereo with an MP3 player. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag, curtain head airbags, daytime running lights. Call today to schedule a test drive.